Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of having a garden at home. If you already have a garden or are thinking about creating one, you are in the right place. Let's find out how this simple connection with nature can transform our lives. Benefit 1: Tranquility and relaxation. A garden is a haven of tranquility and peace. By spending time outdoors, surrounded by plants, flowers, and the sounds of nature, we can reduce stress and find relaxation amidst the chaos of everyday life. Benefit 2: Aesthetic beauty. Having a garden at home is like having a constantly changing work of art. The beauty of the blooming flowers, the vibrant colors of the plants, and the harmony of the landscapes create a visually enchanting environment, bringing joy and satisfaction to our eyes. Benefit 3: Clean air and health. A garden is a natural air filter. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen, improving the quality of the air we breathe. In addition, contact with nature strengthens the immune system and provides a feeling of general well-being. Benefit 4: Organic food. Having a garden also means growing fresh and healthy food in your own home. By planting herbs, vegetables, and fruits, you will have access to organic food, free of pesticides and agrochemicals, promoting a more nutritious and sustainable diet. Benefit 5: Physical activity. Caring for a garden involves light physical activities such as digging, planting, watering, and pruning. These activities contribute to burning calories, strengthening muscles, and increasing flexibility, keeping us active and healthy. Here on the channel, there are already several video reviews of courses that teach you gardening. Right above, you have the video cards talking about the courses. Don't miss any amazing content about gardening. Subscribe to the channel right now and join the community of gardening enthusiasts. Click the subscribe button below and activate the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is published. Get ready to dive into a world of tips, solutions, inspiration, and knowledge. Don't waste time, sign up now and be part of our community. Benefit 6: Connection with nature. A garden connects us with nature and helps us appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Observing the life cycle of plants, learning about different species, and taking in biodiversity are enriching experiences that connect us with the world around us. Benefit 7: Stimulating creativity. A garden is a space for creativity to flourish. From planning the garden design to choosing the plants and decorations, you can express your personality and explore your imagination, creating a unique and personalized environment. Benefit 8: Learning and education. A garden is a living classroom. By growing plants, we can learn about botany, natural sciences, and ecology. In addition, a garden can be a great space to teach children about the importance of nature, environmental responsibility, and the life cycle of plants. Benefit 9: Socialization space. A well-kept garden is an invitation to socialize. Whether enjoying an outdoor barbecue with friends or sharing stories around a campfire, a garden provides a pleasant space to connect with loved ones and create special memories. Benefit 10: Sustainability. Last but not least, a home garden contributes to sustainability. By growing your own plants and food, you reduce dependence on outside resources and promote green practices, helping to preserve the environment for future generations. As you can see, having a garden at home brings a multitude of benefits to our physical, mental, and environmental well-being. So, how about starting to create your own garden today and enjoy all these amazing benefits? Remember, nature is waiting for you outside. Before we go, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our exciting video reviews. Take a look at the cards that are now appearing on your screen. They are full of interesting content related to the video you just watched. Explore our channel and dive into a video marathon full of useful tips, creative ideas, and solutions. Share this video with your friends and family who are also passionate about gardening. Let's grow a green and flowery world together. Subscribe, watch the cards, join the channel, and let's start this amazing gardening marathon together. Until next time, and thank you for watching.